So I'm gonna cut them maybe about here, because once I cut them, they bounce up a little bit. I don't know if you've ever cut your bangs on your own, but if you have cut your bangs, and if they're wet, and when you go to cut them, all of a sudden you can cut them from here and then they end up here. So you're like, oh no, what the heck did I just do? So you don't want to cut them too short. If you want them to be up here, I'm guessing if you want them to be up here, then you cut them about maybe here, because bangs tend to bounce up. That's what I've noticed anyhow. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my bangs today. If you're joining me for the first time, please take some time to follow. Thank you very much. Also, what's something new here is that I'm able to receive some stars. You can send me stars. Send some stars. Send some love my way. Thank you very much. All right, so as I said, I don't want to wet my hair, because then it tends to get shorter and my bangs will bounce up. Thinking of leaving this part long. Hello, hello, welcome in, say hello. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this part también a little bit long, just because I like it. I think it's fun to have that little part there. So I'm gonna part it here like that, and then I'll do the same thing to this side. So that it's long, it stays long, and I could still put it back if I want to put it back there behind the ear. Same thing on this side. Lo voy a querer poner para atrás, lo puedo hacer. And so here, now I have this part here, and I'm guessing it looks straight. Can you guys see that? Does it look straight? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Hi, how's everybody doing today? So do you have a good bang story? Have you cut your bangs? How old were you when you cut your first, how old were you when you first cut your bangs? I think I was about maybe 5 years old when I cut my bangs for the first time. And that's why I explained at the beginning, is that when I cut my bangs for the first time, I thought I was going to do a fantastic job, and what I ended up doing was cutting them here, and my bangs ended up here. So don't try this at home. Do not try this at home if you do not know how to cut them. I've been cutting them for some time, so if I mess up right now, oh wow, all I'm going to do is just get them, twirl them like this, and then I'll put it back just like that. So I've seen many different types of ways to cut your bangs. Some people go like this, they twirl it, and this is the trick, and then they cut. And I'm going to show you that cut just so that we can see what it looks like, okay? So right now, this is how long they are. I think I'm going to cut these as well. I like to leave it long on the sides, a little bit long, just so I could put my hair back behind my ear, just like that. Hello, hi Claudia. Welcome in, mija. Good to see you there. So I'm going to cut them, and this part right here is a little bit longer. Like I said, this way I could put it behind my ears. But today I think I'm going to just go ahead and cut it all across. Vamos a ver. Alright, so there's many different types of ways to cut your bangs. Hello, hello, welcome in everyone. Thank you for being here today. Today I'm gonna try to cut my bangs. Vamos a ver cómo sale. You see that there? How they are. Pretty straight, I think so. So there's different types of ways to cut your bangs, right? You do not want to cut them here, because if you cut it here, it's gonna bounce up a little bit, and the bangs are gonna end up like, you know how, way up here, like that. Oh my goodness, ¿tú crees? Okay, so we've all done that before. I'm pretty sure everyone has cut their bangs that way. So today I'm not gonna do that. Lo que voy a hacer is twirl it, just to show you. I'm gonna twirl it like this, y luego los voy a cortar. and I want them to be about here. So that means I'm gonna try to cut it maybe here, and let's see how far up they go. Okay, so you guys are watching. We're gonna twirl it just like this. Y aquí está la puntita, so it's the tip of my nose. Twirl it whichever way you want to twirl it. Hold it tight, and then I'm gonna cut it and see how far up it goes. I'm gonna cut it like right here. Vamos a ver. Uy. Don't give me a pair of scissors because I want to cut everybody's hair. Ay, ay, ay. It's cutting, I can hear it. It's just taking some time because I twirled it and it's thick there. So be patient with your lovely, beautiful hair. Can you hear it there? It's cutting. It's taking a while. Like I said, because it's very thick. I twisted it. Y vamos a ver how far up it goes. So I cut, this is about an inch, maybe 2 inches because of this long point here. Más o menos, right? And there they are. There you have it. I did it. I cut the bang part. As you can see, it was here. Now it's there. I wanted them up here, so I'm going to go ahead and just go like this. And then we're going to see how that bang cut is. Okay, pretty cool. I still get my length here that I wanted by twirling it. I got that length right here. Just like that. Hello, hello, welcome in. Say hello. Say hello, hello. Thank you so much for the hearts. I appreciate it. And look at that cut. So all you gotta do is just twirl it, and then you get the length here that you want. Now you can mess with your bangs. You can put them to the side. And you can have that little opening there, which I think it's really cute when I see girls have that hair like that. Or you could do it to the other side, just like that. Or you could put it all to one side, like that. There's many different ways you can wear your bangs, right? I think it looks cute. Alright, so I like it like this. And we got that part done. So what I want to do now is, you can see that they're thick, right? They're kind of thick. You can even like move them around so that this way they go up a little bit. Like that. Right? For some reason, my bangs always turn into a heart right there. I don't know why, but yeah. It's been like that for years now. So, I don't know, somebody's giving me a sign. Something's going on there. I hope everyone is having a beautiful, blessed day today. So I'm going to go ahead and still thin them out because I think that they're thick. But you could wear your bangs like that. That's a cool hairstyle too. So the next thing I'm going to do is, you can use your regular pair of scissors, or you can use these that have the little plates on them. See that? And these are for cutting. Maybe I should have tried these first so that we could have seen how much riggedness it would be there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and maybe twirl it again and then cut for like fringe style. Let's see. Because I want to get that little... Uh-oh, I messed up right here, you guys. You didn't tell me. Ay, qué malos, no me dijeron nada. Nomás se quedaron viendo, pero no me dijeron, ey, 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 te hace falta ahí ese cortito. Ya nomás. Okay, it's fine, I guess. Lo voy a cortar así. I cannot even see. Now I'm gonna go like this and twirl it this way. Hello, hello, welcome in. Thank you for being here today. Lo agradezco muchísimo. Okay, lo voy a hacer igual como lo hice la primera vez. Le di vueltita just like that, twirling it. I'm gonna hold this part here. I am not a professional hair cutter. I just cut my hair on my own all the time. So instead of holding it this way, I'm gonna cut it this way just to make it thinned out. And I love this cut like this. Look, look, one more time. Look how thick they are. See that? And I'm glad that my hair's been growing a lot. It was thinning out for some time. Pero bueno, ahí va. It's thick now. Hey, Donald, ¿qué dices? Braid them? Is that you, Crystal, telling me to braid them? Okay. Braid it and then cut it? Is that what you're saying? Yeah or no? Do you braid it and then you cut it or qué? A ver, dime. No, it's me. LOL, I'm just kidding. Oh, don't mess me up, dude. Oh, you know I'll be walking around with the with the bangs all messed up. And I'm gonna blame you for it because I'm listening to you. I was gonna braid it. Alright, I was like, he must be a professional. Let me go ahead and just braid it and then cut it. Hey, but you never know. Let me try it. Let's try it. You never know until you try something, right? So, Donald's saying to braid it. Let's braid it and then we'll cut it. And a ver qué. If this works, Donald, damn, you should be a hairstylist. I don't know if I can braid it. I'm gonna try though. All those little tiny hairs are in the way. And here's that long piece that I want to keep. So I'll put it over here. But I want it to be even. And now it's not even. But this side is, this side isn't. Vamos a ver aquí. There we go. Alright. So that little part is still long. Now I'm going to cut this one. Alright, here we go. So we're going to braid it now. Because somebody on here said it's going to come out all chueco. I was joking. Yeah, you never know. So you know what? I'm going to try it anyways. So let's braid it and then we'll see right now if it does come out like that. You never know. It might be a cool style. It's just hard now because ya los corté. I should have done that from the very beginning. But let's try it, okay? A ver, vamos a ver. Hello, hello, welcome in. Say hello. If you have any ideas of how to cut bangs, let me know down below. All right, there we have it. We braided it. I'm gonna hold it from here. And then I'm gonna cut. So Donald, this goes out to you. It better be a good ass haircut. If not, I'm gonna go to your house and I'm gonna shave you bald. Okay, vamos a ver. So I'm not gonna cut straight like this. I'm gonna cut like this because I wanna thin it out. Let's see. You can barely see. One eye open, one eye closed. But I'm gonna do it. Oh, I hope this comes out good, Donald. I don't know, man. Alright, so I cut it this way. Now I'm gonna try cutting it this way a little bit. I can't even see. Oh, I closed this eye. Wrong eye, Letty. Okay. Here we go, you guys. We are cutting bangs today. Let's see if it comes out the way I want it to come out. Okay, you ready? Da da da. Oh. Oh shit, I think you got something there, dude. Yeah. Oh my, I love it. Dude. Yeah. Yeah, braid it. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. That's a good idea. You see, you gotta always try something new. You never know, because I was just gonna twirl it again and do it that way. And no, vean nomás, look. You look cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, join me for my next live, Donald, because you never know. You give me some tips, and it might just work, man. Look at that. Do you like him? ¿Ya ves? The ideas que agarró. Hola, hola, hi Marina, ¿cómo estás, hermosa? Oh my goodness, sí me quedaron bien, súper bien, porque este muchachito Donald me dijo que lo pusieran una trencita, y él no sabe cortar pelo, nomás me dio un comentario, pues, y lo hice. And check it out. Look at that. It looks cute, super cute. I like it. I think I want to thin him out though a little bit more, because I don't know if I like it that thick. So I think I might want to take a chance. Bien, gracias a Dios. Y tú, bien aquí, mira, siendo travesura con mi pelo, con mis bangs, pero se me hace que los quiero más como fringed, because it looks kind of thick. I'll try it tomorrow, because today we're going to the patch, and I don't want to be late over there to the patch. Because ahora vamos a ir a disfrutar con los nietos en el pumpkin patch. Vamos a ir a encontrar unas calabacitas, unas calabazas muy grandes, chiquitas maybe, I don't know. Pero vamos a ir para allá a ver el little petting zoo que tienen también. Y sí me quedaron bien. Entonces, wait, do they look crooked? No, they look okay. Así me voy entonces. I like them. They're pretty good. Thank you for the tip, Donald. I greatly appreciate it. Now let's see how it goes. Combines with the pillow. Que me corté ayer mi pelo también. Si no lo vieron, ahí lo puse para que lo pueden ver cómo lo corté. Y me gusta este estilo. Me está gustando. So now I'll just go like this. And then boom. Mañana quizás no sé cómo me voy a peinar, pero me pueden decir cómo me debo de peinar. Con el pelo para arriba, para abajo, o toda, like... But look at that. I like it. Looks cute. I think so, right? Ahora sí me parezco rockera.